So it's a lovely, warm, sunny day on the homestead today, which is a really nice change from all of the rain and the cold that we've been having. And today's job, or one of today's jobs, is fencing around our potato patch. And as you know, we've planted out 17 heritage heirloom varieties of potatoes, traditional varieties, but we've got the rabbits and the hares are actually starting to get into them. So we need to fence off this area of, quite a big area of potato patch. So I'll show you what I mean. So here's all of our lovely potatoes, and they're all coming up really, really nicely, as you can see. And then we've got some here that are getting the tops chewed off. So you can sort of see, let's go this side, the difference between those and the lovely big leafy ones. So rabbits have made a start on it, so we'll get this all fenced today. But we're really pleased with the potatoes. They're coming up really well. Okay, so that's that job done. We spent most of the day on it, and we did the bottom as well, so I'll show you what we've done here. So as you can see, we've just put chicken wire fencing around with some steel droppers, so that has enclosed all of that area, so we shouldn't get the chickens in there again. And some of the things that we did this on the cheap, so it's a very cheap temporary fence. We'll put something more permanent in later. So we had cheap chicken wire, the steel droppers, we had these cable ties that we use to join everything, so a packet of cable ties, and some of these weed mat pins. So we've actually just pinned all the bottom down so that the rabbits can't dig under there. So we're very happy with it. That's going to protect our potatoes. We also were on a bit of a roll, and we did the back as well, so I'll show you the back. So it's all along there, you can see the steel droppers. It's quite a nice little fence. Probably cost us about $500 all up to do this really big area. Okay, so that's all of this big area now rabbit and hare proof, and I'm going to call it a day now. Feeling pretty tired after all of that. Happy gardening.